because of its simplicity and ease of removal, it has been a great success. But in some instances, they do require lockable mullions where access is controlled and monitored. So we have developed a lockable mullion. Basically the same hardware, same footprint, everything's identical, with the exception that we eliminated the hole in the back of the housing where the finger came through. It's become solid here. And we eliminated the finger that on the back of the latch. So the latch has no finger inside. So now when it drops inside the post, there's no real way of picking it up. So to pick it up, we designed a slider bar that fits inside the mullion, and the cylinder that goes through this hole picks up the tab like so, actuating. I can't reach it with my finger. Picking up the claws of the latch. As soon as the claws are picked up to the height where they're inside the housing, this mullion can move back and be lifted out. So it's quite a simple operation, as you can see. The bracket is heavy gauge stainless steel, a simple sliding one-piece motion, and the tab of the cylinder picks up the tab. When you pull the key out of the cylinder, it leaves the slider plate down and it's ready to be locked. As you can see, it's in the down position, so it is ready to lock. So if that wasn't there, that mullion was totally secure. Thank you for your time.